Hello everyone, welcome to Signals and Systems Lab. Today we'll be talking about experiment 4, that is analyzing sound signals using 4 statistical parameters. Those 4 statistical parameters are mean, variance, skewness and kurtosis. We'll be analyzing 3 sounds. They are train sound, a fan sound and a human speech. So here I have written code. So what we'll be doing is we'll take 1 hour of each sound. In 1 hour the first 30 minutes will calculate all 4 statistical parameters and will calculate maximum and minimum for 4 statistical parameters and will verify the second 30 minutes data with first 30 minutes data. So considering 1 second as one sample, for 30 minutes we'll get 1800 samples. So for train sound I've calculated the statistical parameters here, and here I've calculated the maximum and minimum of each statistical parameter, and here I've calculated for fan sound, and here I've calculated maximum and minimum for each statistical parameter for fan sound. Here I've entered data into variance and mean and skewness and kurtosis for human speech, and I've calculated maximum and minimum for statistical parameters of human speech. Next 30 minutes data will do same. We'll calculate statistical parameters and we'll check whether this 30 minutes second 30 minutes data is matching or is lying between the maximum and minimum of first 30 minutes data. So I've calculated mean, variance and skewness and kurtosis of second 30 minutes data here for fan sound, here for human speech. So I have declared 4 matrices, 3 into 3 0 matrices, and we'll verify now. Now we'll verify whether the second 30 minutes data is lying between the maximum and minimum for each sound signal of first 30 minutes data. So here I'm checking whether the second 30 minutes data for train sound, the statistical parameter is mean, is lying between the maximum and minimum of first 30 minutes data of train sound with statistical parameter mean. So like that I've done for train sound for all 4 statistical parameters. Now I've done for fan sound with all 4 statistical parameters, and for human speech I've done 4 statistical parameters. So as the code is very lengthy, it takes time to run. So I've got the results. So the kurtosis matrix that I have declared here, the kurtosis matrix, the 3 into 3 kurtosis matrix will be like this. This is from train signal, this is from fan signal. It's matching with train signal or fan signal or human speech. This is for skewness, this is for variance. So we have to create a GUI for this and plot histograms also. So this is the design view that I have created for train sound, a fan sound and human speech. We'll be using radio buttons to jump between skewness, variance and kurtosis, and a push button known as load matrix to plot the data. And here we'll be getting the confusion matrix, means the 4 matrix that we have declared, the zeros into 0 matrix, in which the data we have entered that has come out, means these matrices will be appeared over here in app designer. So as this takes a lot of time to run, so I've run the data and this is the output that we have get. So for skewness, the histogram data will be plotted like this. For fan, it will be plotted like this. For speech, it will be plotted like this, and the confusion matrix can be obtained here. So we are plotting the histogram data for second 30 minutes data. So as the code is very big, it takes a lot of time to run. So actually we are using 1800 samples to plot the data, means here it will be 1800 bars will be there, here 1800 bars. So we are using 3 for loops to plot this data. So it's a huge data, it takes a lot of time to plot. So that's the reason why I have shown the skewness data. So it's taking time. See, that's the way the sound signals are verified or analyzed using statistical parameters. So this is the MATLAB code, this is the app designer, this design view, this is the code view. So briefly I will explain what code that I have written in app designer. The code will be same. that what we have written in MATLAB, but we'll be writing extra lines for plotting the histogram data. So here I have plotted. Here I am writing the code for plotting the histogram data for in first axis and the second axis and the third axis. This is for skewness, this is for variance, this is for kurtosis. This is the code in App Designer. This is how the sound signals are analyzed using statistical parameters in MATLAB and App Designer. Thank you.